Alright, we have a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. I'm gonna show you how a bad engine sound. This engine, it has 300,000 miles and it's been through hell. So now listen.
Full range of treatment options for
Listen to the motor. It's knocking, but it still drives. Believe it or not, 300,000 miles, knocking like crazy. I'm gonna put the window down so you can hear. See, like that, it doesn't sound much. You hit the gas, hear that noise? If you buy a car, it has that noise on, you just got robbed. Don't buy it. This car is going to the boneyard today. Alright, you can leave just the car running and you can hear the engine. Alright, so that's a bad noise. If you're buying a car and it has that noise, forget about it. Walk away from this thing. It's junk. See, oil everywhere, knocking. Don't buy it. Please, don't buy it.